So the next topic is types of capital market. There are two types of capital market, primary market and secondary market. For long-term securities, there is one market, capital market, and it is subdivided into two parts, primary market and secondary market. Now, what is primary market? It refers to that market in which securities are sold for the first time. Here, securities are sold for the first time. In primary market, securities are sold for the first time, means it is sold by the company. It is sold by the company. This market is concerned with new issues. First time means new issues are done by companies. The primary market is also known as new issue market. New shares are issued by the company, then it is called new issue market. So primary market is a market where securities are sold for the first time. New issue market. It is a new issue market because the securities are first time sold by the company, and these are the new securities. Through the medium of this market, both the newly established companies as well as the existing companies collect capital. In this market, the flow of funds is from saver to the borrower. First time, if investment is there, so investor is the person who is buying the shares and company is the person who is selling the share. In the primary market, new shares are issued by the company. The seller is the company and the buyer is the investor. What are the main features of primary market? First is bache, it is related to new issues. It is related to new issues. New securities are issued here first time. The first important feature of primary market is that it is related with the new issues. Whenever a company issues new shares or debenture, it is known as initial public offer. IPO, initial public offer. New issue markets are called initial public offers. Then it has no particular place. It has no particular place. Primary market is not the name of any particular place, but the activity of bringing in new issues is called primary market. Beta, it is the discrimination power of the company that wherever company wants to issue, it can issue. In the office, in a seminar, they want to conduct any place, at any place they can issue the new shares. They don't need a particular place. Then it has various methods of floating capital. It has various methods to float capital. There are various methods to float, means various methods to issue. First is bache, public issue. Public issue. Under this method, the company issues a prospectus and invites the general public to purchase shares and debenture. When shares and debentures are issued to general public, it is called public issue. Second is bache, offer for sale. Offer for sale. Under this method, firstly, the new securities are offered to an intermediary at a fixed price. Broker, stock broker, they further resell the same to the general public. The advantage of doing this is that the issuing company feel free from the tedious work of making a public issue. Here they will transfer to general public. Directly they are selling to public. Here they are taking the help of a broker. They are selling all the shares to a broker, and further the broker will approach the public. This is offer for sale. We are offering someone for selling the shares of the company. Third बच्चे private placement. Private placement. It refers to the allotment of securities by a company to institutional investors and some selected individuals. This method is preferred as it is a cheaper method of raising funds as compared to a public issue. Some companies therefore cannot afford a public issue and choose to use private placement. Suppose you are approaching 2 3 individuals, one bank, one insurance company, and some person, reputed company. You have approached them and you have an offer for them to buy the shares of your company, and they have purchased. Nobody will come to know that you have sold. Means you are not requiring to show it to the general public. You need not to tell it to the general public and all. Then private placement is a placement where only you have to approach to certain individuals, not to the whole public. It will save your time and cost. Then बच्चे right issue. Right issue. This method is used by those companies who have already issued their shares. When an existing company issue new shares, first of all it invites its existing shareholders. These are sold to existing shareholders. You are already having your shareholders, and you will give them a first right to buy those shares. If you want to sell new shares, you will give first right to your existing shareholders. This is called right issue. Last is बचे electronic initial public issue. Under this method, companies issue their securities through the electronic medium internet. The company is issuing securities through this method enters into a contract with the stock exchange. SEBI registered brokers have to be appointed for the objective of accepting applications. So when we are talking about internet, we are taking the help of internet and stock exchange, then we can say it is called EIPOs. It is called EIPOs, electronic initial public securities issues. Okay, so this is your methods of flotation. But types of capital market is going on. Capital market is a market which deals in long term securities, and it is of two types: primary market and secondary market. Primary market is a market where securities are sold for the first time. New shares are issued by the company, and it is called new issue market. It is also called new issue market. Primary market is also called new issue market. Here the company issues the securities for the first time. Then what are the main features? It is related to new issues, and no particular place it is having. Anywhere company can issue. And there are these 5 methods of issuing these shares. Either they are having option to sell it to general public, then offer for sale to someone broker. They will approach to a broker and he will sell it to private public, general public. Then बच्चे private placement. When we are approaching to a particular person for selling the shares, it is called private placement. Right issue, we give the first right we are giving to the existing shareholders. Already we are having some shareholders, and we are giving them first right to buy the shares, new shares. This is called right issue. Electronic initial public issue means we are using internet for the purpose of selling the shares and ventures. Now last feature of this is it comes before secondary market. Fourth is it comes before secondary market. Primary market comes before secondary market. Then bache, we will talk about secondary market. What is secondary market? So secondary market is a market in which existing securities are sold. Already existing securities are bought and sold. Already existing means first time already company have issued to some shareholders. A shareholder A have purchased securities from the primary market from the company. The new issue he have purchased. Now he want to sell his shares. He will approach B, and if B wants to sell his share, he will approach C. Now where they meet and they used to sell their existing securities, that place is called secondary market. Secondary market where existing securities, A is having already the new primary issues. Now he will sell and other people will sell and buy and sold. This is called secondary market. When securities is sold for the first time, it is called primary market, and however, when the same security is sold in the open market, it is called secondary market. So what are the main features of secondary market? Secondary market, the name of secondary market, you are already knowing that is stock exchange. You must have heard this word, stock exchange. Stock exchange is a place where already existing securities are bought and sold. General public through the help of brokers. Stock exchange brokers, they are helping us to buy and sell the already. So this is a second hand market, you can say. Already having shares one person, new issue, and then this new issue will be sold to some other person. This is secondary market and it is called stock exchange. What are the features? First is bache, it creates liquidity. Creates liquidity. Beta, if A needs money, anytime he can approach another person to sell. If B needs money, anytime he will go to C. So it provides liquidity. Anytime you can convert your shares into money. It comes after primary market. Once you have purchased from the primary market, then you can sold them in secondary market, because first time company will issue in the primary market, and then after primary market the place of secondary market comes, and it has a particular space, has a particular place, and that place is known as stock exchange. Particular place is known as stock exchange. Then bache, it encourages new investment. Here new people will join the stock exchange and they will invest more money. So this was secondary market.